Are you ready to learn 9 very useful and essential phrasal verbs with fill and take your English to the next level and sound more natural and fluent when you speak? Alright, let's go. Number 1, fill up. To make something full or to become full. For example, I am going to fill up the bucket with water. Number 2, fill in. To provide information or details, often on a form or in a document. For example, please fill in your name and address on the registration form. Number 3, fill out. It means to complete a form or document by adding necessary information. For example, make sure to fill out all the required fields on the job application. Number 4, fill with. To become full of something, or to cause something to become full. The classroom filled with excitement as the students prepared for the field trip. Number 5, fill in for. To take someone's place temporarily, especially in a role or position. For example, I'll need you to fill in for me at the reception desk while I'm on lunch break. Number 6, fill out someone's shoes. To take over someone else's responsibilities or role. For example, it will be challenging to fill out the manager's shoes when she retires. Number 7, to fill in on. To provide someone with information about something they missed. For example, can you fill me in on what happened at the meeting while I was away? Number 8, fill someone up. To provide someone with enough food or drink to satisfy their hunger or thirst. For example, the chef filled us up with a delicious meal. Fill up on. To drink or eat until you're full. For example, don't fill up on snacks before dinner. You won't have room for the main course.